This here is a knife that a family member of mine had found, and the blade needs sharpened badly. It'd been dropped on concrete and all that, and it's rolled and it'd been abused, but it looks to be a good knife. I don't know. You can't read what it says on there, but oh well. But I'm gonna be sharpening it and cleaning it up today. Well, I've done some more filing, and I had to take some off here and take this down off the edge here because it was rolled pretty bad, but I've got I don't know, 100 more passes on each side probably to do, and then I'll move to the whetstone, which I'm not going to sharpen this like a real fine edge. I'm putting like a 45 degrees on it, because the person's going to be using it for cutting stuff and for cutting real aggressive stuff that would ruin a regular blade real quick, which just looks to be pretty much tough enough steel. It's pretty hard to file, I know that, but the knife I have is actually better than this, because this one you gotta push this in and then all that just to shut it, and the ones I have, if I ain't careful, they will shut. I have just a pretty cheap pocket knife. I haven't got one of these yet because I just haven't went and got one. But they're pretty good, it looks like. I know they're most likely good steel. It's sharpening up well, but I don't know. Well, I got sharpened. The funny thing is, whenever I test it, they have like a little notch grind into the top, and I keep thinking it's upside down, but I had to use a power tool and stuff because the file was just taking a little time. But it cuts what they want to cut. Which is some pretty thick stuff. If I had two hands, I'd be able to cut it easier. But it cuts, and it also saves wood. See, I just gotta clean it up now, and it should be fine. So, thanks for watching.